I hereby kick off the 24-hour skate around the world. We have around 400 plus entries. You can see some skaters skating on 200 meters bank track, some 100 meters, and you can see a bunch of skaters skating at 250 meters bank track. So you can see the response
organized and is responsible for this global cause. We are proud to announce the club and the academy from Pune who have taken initiative and promoted this event and given the opportunity to skaters to participate and be a part of this global cause. The pride name of the academies are Leisure Xtec LXT. Fast and Furious Skating Academy.
You can see the announcements happening, and we have all the coaches over here
MBB,
doing a great job.
LXT, Savan LXT, Thapri, Victory Academy, Yashasri Academy, Skate Masters Academy, Cycle Club, GBB, Sarwari Balbhavan, United Club, and many more upcoming.